Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the LA Noire missing DLL social club. So this is socialclub.dll dynamic link library missing from your system. There are some methods out there. For example, you can reinstall the game, or you can verify the game via a Rockstar account. You can visit a Rockstar official website, or social club official website. To update your game, and here you can see there is a method in Steam community that you can try. You can go into your LA Noire folder and look for Steam apps #LA Noire 3rd. In this folder you will find execute file titled socialclub setup.exe. Just install this app or installer, and your social club dynamic error will disappear and the game will work fine. So here, if you don't have this, please, you can find on the internet the social club setup.exe. And also you might get this message when you try to execute the setup. A newer version installed for Rockstar Game Social Club exiting installation. So you can trick your PC into thinking Rockstar Social Club is not installed. So you can register folder here and delete this. So you can open by Windows key and R key. This is the run box. You can open regedit registry editor, and here you can find the H key local machine, then software, then you can find the WoW and 6432 node, and you can find Rockstar games. Here, follow this guide, follow this instruction. You can find the Rockstar games folder on this registry editor. You can delete it. So then try to rerun the social club setup execute file found in Steam apps folder. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.